Buddy Joe, surreal. It's just a matter of time. I woke up kinda tired, trying to get inspired. Plug in the mic wire, hoping I could light the fire. Cause I'm a gun for hire, so I gotta write some heat. I let the laugh fly, plus I really like the beat. But while I write the rhyme, starts fighting in my mind. Like you never gonna blow, you keep fighting for the shine. The light shines bright on a titan in its prime. And success only comes when it's right and when it's time. I wanna make tapes, tour dates, and be famous. Don't wanna meet the grave, shamed, unpaid, and nameless. You feel that? We'll take a second to peel back the layers of the vapor where the real's really at. You can see your empty shell, dry lands and empty wells, positions where selfish ambition really dwells. They say that sells, and that's the ladder to climb. But stay your course and you'll shine in a matter of time. Every tick of the talk is a chance to change, and every talk is a thought to advance the frame. You got time. You got time. Every tick of the clock is a chance to change, and every talk is a thought to advance the frame. You got time. You got time. Yeah. Sell your soul for the gold. That's an old blueprint. Sad but true, and nothing new in this music. Instead of moving people, man, they wanna move units and exploit your passion. Cashing like Judas. You gotta be smart. Use your mind and your heart. Boost your spirit in the speakers so they hear it in the dark. Build your rhymes like an ark. For the flood and the love. Carry people to the promised land. That'll make a buzz. Wisdom is the fabric that weaves the means. And hope is the road, so believe in dreams. We can make plans, use our hands to build. But if it ain't in God's will, then it's just a